Hi, dear Alexandra. We are going to see in this tutorial what is a speech. As you can see, a speech is to talk about different topics. You can make a personal speech where you talk about everything about you, about your family, about your likes, about your life. Okay? Now, in this tutorial, we are going to do the personal speech. Personal speech. So here you're going to talk about your favorite subjects, where you are from, and about your family. Let's see. Okay. So this is the content of your first personal speech. Let's continue. Here we have some other questions or some other information about your personal speech. For example, there you talk about your pets. Then you talk about your school. And then you talk about your favorite um, subject and a little comment about homework. Next class, we are going to see your speech, okay? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.